In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain in Google Search Console via DNS using Hostinger, a process we'll complete in about 5 minutes. Making sure your domain is verified with Google Search Console is crucial for understanding your site's visibility within Google's search engine. Plus, it gives you insights into search traffic, performance, and any issues that might need your attention. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Hostinger's website. If you haven't already, you can open your browser and type in hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login button, most likely in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to enter your credentials and access your account's dashboard. It's important to ensure that your credentials are kept secure, so make sure your password is strong and stored safely. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to Hostinger's panel, commonly known as the H panel. The home section provides an overview of all your hosting services and domains. Navigate to this area by selecting Home from the main menu. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Domain tab. This section allows you to see all the domains linked to your Hostinger account. Once you're here, locate the specific domain you want to verify with Google Search Console. When you've identified the right domain, click Manage next to it. Moving forward, we want to look for DNS/nameservers. Clicking on this will show you the DNS records associated with your domain. DNS, or Domain Name System, is a critical component that translates human-friendly domain names to IP addresses, which computers use to identify each other on the network. Here you need to locate Manage DNS Records, which is possibly just a click away. Now comes the crucial step, adding the TXT record. Why are we doing this? A TXT record is a DNS record that provides text information to sources outside your domain. It's essentially proof that you own the domain. Google uses this to verify that you have the authority over the domain you're trying to claim. Under Manage DNS Records, select the option to add a new record. You're going to enter TXT as the record type. In the host field, enter the @ symbol, or leave it blank if the interface suggests that. Lastly, paste the TXT record value provided by Google Search Console into the value field. Click Save or Add Record to complete the configuration. Once the TXT record is added, you'll need to head back to Google Search Console and tell Google to verify your domain. Remember, it might take a few minutes to a few hours for DNS changes to propagate across the internet, but once that's done, your domain should be successfully verified. And there you have it, you've successfully verified your domain with Google Search Console through DNS on Hostinger. This verification process not only helps in gaining insights, but also in improving your site's performance in search results. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.